Hello my amazing supporters, how are you all doing? Welcome back again to Susan Good TV. It's good to see you guys back. So guys, this is how to make braid. One of my many ways. I said it, I'll be showing you guys different way to start your braid. So this is second one. Alright, you see the way I'm doing it, I'm going to make it 3. And also you can also be joining your braid. For example, you cut your extension into 4, and the person wants the hair longer than 4. So this way you can also be joining it without it showing on how you join it. So, and I will be making a video of it whenever I'm making braid again. So I'll be making a video of it how you can join to your hair without it notice like that you join hair. It's very important, guys. It is good. You that's making someone's hair, you will be happy, and the person you make her hair will also be happy at the end of the thing, because remember the person paid for it and you render the service very good. It will make the person keep coming back. Very important, guys. So that's why I'll be showing you all and how to add to your extension. It can be so long, no matter the length, and it will look as if you just use attachment extension without even cutting it. Alright guys, so the hair we'll make today is just, we call it Sade Ghana braid. Alright, we're going to make one at the back, then at the front we just make it bend Ghana braid with tiny tip. Alright, so most of my customers, they always bring picture of the hair, the kind of hair they want, and the most beautiful thing is I always make the hair the way they want it, and they go home happy, and me, I will be also smiling. So guys, let me leave you guys to enjoy the view and also enjoy the music. And if this is your first time of coming across Susan Good TV, please do me a favor, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video. If you like what we are doing here, subscribe, and thank you so much for stopping by. We appreciate you here. Alright, in case you are wondering what we are doing here, guys, we do anything concerning hair growth, more of how to take care of your hair will be coming soon. Alright, I'll be kind of stuck in some certain things, that's why I've not been bringing it, but very soon I'll be missing it. You'll be seeing the way I make hair, the kind of treatment you have to give to your hair, everything will be here. So this channel, Susan Good TV, is all about hair, guys. So now it's time for me to start cutting the Ghana braid. So we're not doing the straight line, we're doing the bend line. As you can see, the way I'm cutting it now, I'm making it bend because that's how she wants it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So please, if you do, give me a thumbs up and also comment, tell me what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by to support our channel. We appreciate you from the depth of our heart. Alright guys, we love you. Easy go, I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I
C'est la vie. And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me